That's what I'm doing. So you guys stopped me for what?
Your registration. That's expired.
Okay.
So can I have your driver's license?
You know the governor put a moratorium on registration stops, correct? You know that, right?
That's been lifted
That
long ago.
if you can put a moratorium on it, it just means it wasn't necessary to begin with.
And just while we're standing here, can I have you hop out and just step right here just for our safety?
For what?
Just because I don't like you sitting there next to the gun. That's all.
I'm legal here.
Okay, well, I'd like you to step out here. There's a section of case law, okay, that requires
There's a
you
Second
to follow.
Amendment too.
I understand
Shall
that.
not be infringed.
I understand. But
I haven't done anything
there's a case law
illegal.
that you have to follow, and if you don't,
Right.
you will go to jail. So it is a
For
lawful
what?
order. I would like
What's
you
the
to
case law?
Just step out.
Get your supervisor. Tell me
He's
that
right
case law. I mean, I'm a government contractor, bro. I know the law.
I understand, and apparently you don't. It doesn't matter what you're trying to say. We have to safely operate, and we have to safely
I'm
issue you a
safe. I haven't
citation.
done anything unsafe.
Hey, Taylor, please talk to this man real quick. Just so we can conduct business safely, because he's
Hey,
got
how
a
you doing,
gun
bud?
in the seat. Can you ask him to please get out for me?
Yeah, I was just asking him. He said that there's a case law that says that I have to do what he's telling me to do.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what that case law
Sir,
is?
step out of the vehicle and do it right now, or you're going to be placed under arrest.
Can you tell me what that case law is?
Step out of the vehicle right now, or you're going to be placed under arrest.
What's your
I don't
badge
wanna do
number,
that,
sir?
but
What's your badge number?
My badge number is P like Paul 340. Step out of the vehicle. Sir.
Okay, sir, what you're doing here is illegal.
Step out of the
Please
vehicle.
get
It's completely unlawful.
Sir, step out of the vehicle.
Okay, because you're threatening me, I'm gonna step out of the vehicle.
No one's threatening you.
You guys have guns, man.
Okay, but you do too. So, all I'm asking you to do is step right here at the back of your car, right
Over
here.
here.
Sure, man.
Just hang out here. Okay?
Sure.
I don't care if you carry a gun legally. I'm just saying that
Come
why we
on.
conduct business, man.
What did I do wrong?
I told you have an expired registration.
That's not illegal.
Yes, it is.
That's not illegal.
It is.
The governor put a moratorium on that.
That's now gone. That was COVID, and that was a long time ago. It's been lifted. Okay.
You realize that they put a moratorium because it was illegal to begin with. It wasn't necessary.
It's not illegal.
You know, common law does not require a registration for vehicles.
The laws of the state of Texas do. You have your driver's license.
I already gave it to you. Go and talk to your office. Yeah, because what's going on here doesn't help anybody. What are you doing? Sir, what are you doing?
Laws of the state of Texas.
Oh, okay. Yeah, laws. Yeah. So laws say to go kill somebody over an infraction. You're going to do that?
We haven't used any force on you. We've just asked you to follow the law. That's it.
Asking me to pull over is a forceful act.
But I didn't use any physical force. I haven't used deadly force. I haven't even threatened deadly force.
Am I free to go?
You're not.
Well, then what's the reason? What's the crime?
I told you, registration.
I don't have to have a registration.
That's fine.
Common law, which is recognized in the state of Texas, even though he can say it isn't, common law supersedes.
It does not.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
We're in the state of Texas. We follow the Texas Transportation Code, which is enforced.
Sure, man.
If you'd like, you can go talk to the court. You can talk to the judge. You can show him common law. Talk to him about it. But arguing it on the side of the road isn't acceptable.
So you guys are doing this, and you guys have crimes going on in town, and you guys have nothing better to do but this?
We're part of the traffic division, so we're trying to
Yeah.
enforce Texas Transportation Code.
I'm sorry, man. I mean, I took criminal justice in college. I know the laws. One thing that kept me from being a cop was this activity right here.
Okay.
I'm not going to pull over some lady with kids in the car over registration violations. See, that's paperwork. That's stuff we can take care of in an office setting. We don't need a militarized force.
Nothing
to enforce
militarized
it.
about it. I'm just enforcing the law and letting you know. We're going to tell you how to remedy it, and hopefully, if you get it remedied in 14 business days from today's date, the court will
Well, you know,
most
I'm not-
likely work with you. You haven't even.
I
let me
totally
get to that.
understand it. No, I totally understand it. Look, I respect you as a person. I do respect police officers. It's some of these laws that they make you
And I
do.
understand, and I don't get to choose. I got to enforce it. Unfortunately, I got
Check this out.
I
Check
got
this
to
out.
enforce it against
No,
everyone.
I
equally.
understand that, but here's the statistics, and even the government knows this. When you guys pull somebody over on the side of the road, the number 2 cause of death among police officers is being struck on the side of the road by a moving
Absolutely,
vehicle.
I was a state trooper, so yes,
Dude,
I understand.
so
That's why we're doing
you-
it here on
you-
slower road.
Okay, well, I mean, and I can understand that, but I mean, you realize that what they're putting out, these lawmakers, they're putting you in a position that puts you in danger, and they don't care. They're in an air-conditioned environment.
I agree, 100%.
You know, they're over here just putting you guys, making you guys. I was just telling him the statistics about you guys getting hurt on the side of the roads for traffic violations.
Okay. Did you ever find a copy of your current insurance if it's not showing in our system?
No, I got current insurance.
Okay. Do you have a physical copy that I can see? It says verify manually when I run your bid.
Oh, okay. No, I don't have it, but I have insurance. And so now I have to go to court, and if I don't go to court, I'm going to have men with guns come after me. See, the system shouldn't be
Not
like that.
necessarily. I mean, warrants could be issued for your arrest, yes.
Right, exactly.
So most likely there will be a police officer who has a gun.
Right,
but
right.
It's not like they're going to threaten you with it. Unless
It's all a
something
threat.
happens.
This right here is the threat. If I leave and take off here, you're
It would
going
be
to shoot
another
me.
offense. We would
Exactly.
not shoot you.
Well, what about
We would not let you
you will
go.
use violence?
We could, yes. In some
And
cases.
see, that's the thing, though. Government is legalized violence. Why would you participate in something like this?
Because in order for all this to function, registration dues go towards fixing Texas roadways to make it safe for the motoring public.
Oh man, I'm glad you said
So
that.
I have to pay my registration fee.
Please tell me your badge number real quick.
It's 711 P7.
7-Eleven.
Yes.
Okay.
But I mean,
So this
registration is a law.
this is a revenue generation process.
No, this is
said
enforcing
it.
registration. But I'm telling you that the state's registration program goes to fund lots of things that are important for
But
the
you know-
function of society.
You know this is a scam, though, man.
It is what it is. I have to enforce
Well,
the law, legislative
You
branch.
don't have to.
I do.
You can find
My
another
job.
job. You don't
It's-
have to
it's my
choose
job.
this one.
I
That's the reason
I
why.
did choose this job. Yeah.
That's the reason why I don't do
I want,
this job.
I want society to function well and run. You know, that's part of it.
Society functions well without this sort of encroachment.
Without some sort of way to pay fund for these roads, people are going to be driving on unsafe roads.
You ask for contributions. You ask for contributions. I pull out my wallet. I give
Everybody
you some money.
participates in the registration program, but also that ensures the
But
safety
that's-
of vehicles on the roadway. Because in order to get
Statistically,
registration,
that doesn't.
you have to have inspection. You have to pass inspection. So, you know what I mean? It also keeps vehicles
It's a
that are
racket.
listed as damaged title, which are not safe to operate, from being registered, so they can't be on the roadway. You know, there's a lot of things here that all contribute. So it's all
There's a
very
lot of
important.
excuses, is what it is. But I don't think any of that contributes to safety. I mean, you can't enforce safety with violence.
Well, I mean,
How?
there's people that won't listen.
Well, I mean,
There's people that will not follow the law.
I'm not one of those people. I don't care about the registration. I don't feel I need to listen about that. But you know, doesn't make me a bad person.
I agree, and I never said you're a bad person, but I'm just saying, though,
But you haven't
as it
stopped
is
to.
currently, legislation has been passed and is currently that requires you to have up-to-date registration. And it is my job, my bosses enforce me enforcing the law, otherwise I get in trouble. You know what I mean?
Well, that's why you find another job.
It's not unconstitutional, it's
It is.
a law.
It is.
But I have to enforce.
And when I go to court and I get this ticket dropped as well,
That's fine, and that's well
I'm
within
good. That's
the law.
exactly how I'm going to do it. I mean, I'm not here screaming and hollering, cussing you out. I don't think that's necessary.
Thank you, I
I'll-
appreciate that.
No, I mean, I know you guys deal with a lot of crap. Dude, I've been working alongside you. I work on your police cars. I work on the sheriff's vehicles, as well as in Odessa. I mean, I'm a good guy. I'm not a bad
I'm
guy.
not saying you're a bad person.
I may have forgotten to carry my paperwork,
What's a good phone number for you?
but that doesn't make me a bad guy. 432-978-6118. Badge number and name for the camera, please.
Give me a signature right there. It's not an admission of guilt. It's just stating that you're going to go from court in 14 days in regards to the ticket. That's all.
I know what this is. This is a
Okay,
threat.
So just write it.
It's a promise to
It's,
I know exactly what this is.
Thanks, sir. We'll get you your copy and you're free to leave whenever you need to.
So go,
I am going to take that
in
sticker.
the
though.
14 days, if you can get this vehicle registered,
No.
bring proof to the courthouse that
Thank
you got
you.
it registered, and they will usually work with you. I can't promise you what they'll do, but in some cases, they've been known to either dismiss it or reduce the fine to a processing fee. It's mainly in the interest of making sure that there's registered.
I appreciate your being cordial, man.
And
Look,
about the gun, man. I appreciate that you're carrying a gun. I am a proponent of the Second Amendment. I never
Thank
leave
you.
my house without
Thank
a gun.
you.
So, sometimes just when we're talking, it's easier
Sure.
to talk
Thank you.
over here than with it there, so nobody gets hurt. Does that make sense?
I totally get you.
If
I
you need
appreciate it,
anything,
man.
my name's Jason. Call
Jason.
the police department. I'll take care of you. Okay.
Thanks a lot, man.
All right.
You have
Be
a good
safe
day.
when you call back on the road.
Will do.
Thank you.
Ah, son of a bitch, got a fucking ticket. Damn it.